Important tips for choosing a Forex broker. Choosing a suitable broker is one of the most crucial decisions a Forex trader must make. This decision can directly impact your success or failure in this market. Below are some of the key points to consider when selecting a broker. First step: regulations and supervision. Regulation. Make sure that the broker you are considering is licensed by a reputable regulatory authority such as the UK FCA, Australia ASIC, or the USA NFA. These licenses indicate that the broker is under supervision and is required to comply with laws and regulations. Business history. Check how long the broker has been operating in the market and whether it has a good track record. Brokers with a longer history are generally more reliable. Second step: security. Information security. The broker should use strong security systems to protect your personal and financial information. Deposit guarantee. Some brokers offer a deposit guarantee that protects your capital up to a certain amount in the event of the broker's bankruptcy. Third step: trading platforms. User interface. The platform should be user-friendly and provide the technical and fundamental analysis tools you need. Execution speed. The speed of order execution is very important, especially in volatile markets. Mobile version. Having a high-performance mobile trading app allows you to access the market anytime and anywhere. Fourth step: types of accounts, spread, and commission. Different accounts. The broker should offer various types of accounts with different features and conditions so that you can choose an account that suits your needs and investment. Spread. The spread is the difference between the buying and selling price of a currency pair. A lower spread means lower trading costs. Commission. Some brokers charge a commission in addition to the spread. Carefully compare the overall transaction costs. In another video, we explained this topic in more detail. Fifth step: liquidity and financial services. Deposits and withdrawals. The process of depositing and withdrawing funds should be quick, easy, diverse, and with minimal excess costs. Sixth step: customer service and education. Support. The broker should provide strong customer support services that are available 24/7, even on holidays. Multilingual support. If you are not fluent in other languages, it is better to choose a broker that offers support services in your native language. Education. The broker should provide a variety of educational resources such as videos, webinars, and educational articles. Participating in training courses can help you enhance your knowledge and skills in Forex. You can subscribe to us and take advantage of our tutorials and guidance. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask in the comments.